Hi, and welcome to Infinite IT's customer training series. Today we're going to talk about how to log into the my.8it.ca portal, our customer portal designed exclusively for you. Just go to https my.8it.ca. I'm going to use one of our sample accounts that we have set up for a sample customer. Once you enter your email address, whether or not you are an Infinite IT eye care client or you are a client that purchases your WAN services from us or other services in general, you have two options here regardless. The first option is sign in with Microsoft. And if you are one of our iCare clients, then you'll be completely set up and ready to go for this. And if we're managing your Office 365 or Microsoft 365 environment, then we've already set you up as well to use your Microsoft login. So the same login you'd likely use to log into your email and or your computer is all you need to log into our system. For customers that we don't manage their Office or Microsoft 365 environments, you can still log in using a password, and you'll go through the process of entering your email address, setting up a password. The system will email you a link, and then you verify it is you, and then you enter your password and you're in. For today's instance, we're going to use sign in with Microsoft. So you click on sign in with Microsoft and you'll see that our system, we're fully integrated with Microsoft and we have a full authentication set up in the background. So what you need to do is then enter your password, which I have stored in my browser, and you click sign in, and that's it. And here we go. I am now logged into our customer portal. That's it for this session on how to log in and set up an account. The next time you log in, you would just enter your username and password. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for being a customer of Infinite IT.